Newman Day. Cat on a hot tin roof and then HUD.
Great. You will not get off, will you?
Patricia Neal is in HUD.
Fourth and last curtain, and it is now an hour and a half later, and still can't get to it. Why? Because she's on top of it. Lizard, get down. It's supposed to be stern. Get down now. Down. Down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. 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 Now. Get down. Off. Get off. Yeah, get off. Off now. Please. Pretty please. Pretty please. Treat on top. Okay. Yeah, look at that face. That innocent thing. Yeah. Yeah, innocent thing. Yeah. You give me kisses. Yeah. You like kissing Pooh. Yeah. You like kissing Pooh. Okay.